Hey everyone, today we're going to be checking out our new mc4 solar cable connector. And these are going to be made by KUKA Cable. Our packaging is going to come with 2 sets of male and female connectors. These are going to be compatible with photovoltaic cables of different diameters. The installation diameters can range from 2.5 millimeters up to 6 millimeters. It's also going to come with this awesome tool, which is going to help you separate the male and female pieces as well as tighten the ends of it. This is going to be perfect for all of your installation needs. This is going to allow you to have a simple, fast, safe, and effective field installation process.
It is made of PPO/PPE insulation material. It's going to be anti-aging and anti-ultraviolet. It can be used for outdoor solar cable installation.